Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by removing friction. Clear your home screen to 3 to 6 target apps so you see choices, not chaos. Once done, silence non-essential notifications. This prevents ping-driven opening. Next, enable battery saver and restrict background data for everything else so your device nudges you toward the apps you want to increase. This matters because fewer interruptions mean longer, intentional sessions. Make sure to keep a short distraction list for emergencies. You now structure time. Schedule 20 to 45-minute focus sessions using app timers to avoid constant short opens. Once a session starts, load content queues or playlists so you move seamlessly from one item to the next. That continuity increases session length. Also download key content and enable offline modes to remove buffering pauses that kill momentum. These steps work because reduced switching costs and predictable blocks let you stay engaged longer. Keep your next session queue ready. You conclude by closing gaps. Review your screen time analytics weekly and adjust order, timers, or saved queues to match what actually keeps you engaged. Automate downloads and playlist refreshes so every session starts with fresh material. That keeps novelty high. If things go wrong, like apps freezing or unexpected exits, clear the cache, toggle storage and background permissions, and restart the device. Doing this preserves smooth sessions. Make sure to repeat the review cycle to keep improving behavior.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.